channel. Today we are going to be filming a what's in my bag, and as you can see in my Chanel tote we have a little dachshund. Yes, this is my little helper Rusty today, and the reason why he's so close with me, he came down with pneumonia on Friday and we're still recovering. They say pneumonia in dogs takes about 3 to 5 weeks to fully recover from it, and he is just by my side 24/7, and I just thought that I would just do a quick video today about what's in my bag, because my little puppy is basically in my bag because he just doesn't feel good, guys. So if you guys would like to comment down below and wish Rusty a speedy recover, that would be fantastic. And while you're at it, you can also hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell, and that would be fantastic. And remember guys, subscribing, it is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Nothing whatsoever. So I remove Rusty out of the bag, and I'm going to show you guys actually the contents of what I actually keep in my Chanel tote. Here I'm going to set Rusty down, and I am going to get started with this video and the contents of what's in my bag. My bag's a little messy right now because we have been on the go back and forth to the veterinary center, and I just have basically a lot of junk in there, and I just thought that this would be the perfect time for me to film a video about what's in my bag. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get started and put this little baby down as he just clenches on to me. This is my Chanel tote. I got this probably like 2 years ago. It's actually holding up pretty good. I seriously do not carry this bag like I should. It's just like, I don't know, it's like weird. Like I thought I really liked big bags, but then like, I don't know, as I got older I figured like I don't really like big bags as much because I just feel like they weigh you down. You just put so much junk in them, and I just really don't have a use for a big bag unless like I'm going somewhere and I'm traveling and I need to stick a bunch of contents in it. But other than that, I do not really use big bags. I actually have a Celine luggage bag in black, and I hardly ever use it. When I first got it, I used it a lot, but now I don't. Alright, so these are the contents of what's in my bag, and I'm going to go ahead and get to it. Of course, I have my trusty cell phone here and a picture of my 2 dachshunds in their buggy, and then I have my Country Archer beef jerky original, which is like so good. This stuff is like addictive. This beef jerky is made in the USA, consumed within 10 minutes, and if not, then you need to consume it within 3 days of opening the bag. But I highly doubt that anybody, once they taste this beef jerky, that they are going to love it. It's like, some pieces are like so soft, it basically melts in your mouth. So anyways, I have this beef jerky because we've been on the go, and I just snack on this in the car. I have, of course, my salt shades here, and they have, these are just it right here, and they say salt on them. Nothing really crazy, just regular old sunglasses. And of course mine are prescription because I am blind as a bat. I can't see anything, and that's why I'm sorry if I have a glare in my glasses, guys. I do apologize, because if I didn't wear my glasses I would not be able to see. Okay, and what else we have? We have hint water here, which I just love. This is an apple hint water. It has 0 calories, 0 sweetener, water infused with crisp apples, and that's what I really love about this, that it is a natural flavor. This hint water, my husband, he is not a water drinker. In the last 3 years, I would say, we order hint and it comes straight to our house, and we just love this. And by the way guys, this is not sponsored. Everything on my video, nothing here is sponsored whatsoever. And so the next thing that's in my bag that I always keep, because my husband and I can say myself, I guess we are staying people, no, just kidding, but whenever we do have like something on our shirts or whatever, our clothing, whenever we have something on our clothing, this Tide to Go stick is super handy to have. So I have that in here as well. I also have a lint brush that I always have because I have dogs, and usually I have dog hair on me. So if I get in the car and I totally forget to lint brush myself, I have this trusty one in my purse that I can just go ahead and pull out, and there you go. Alright, and then also I have one of my favorite perfumes, which is Miss Dior. This is my little to-go one, and I love how it has this, how it's just this pretty blush pink color, and it has the CD on there for Christian Dior, and this is like one of my favorite perfumes. Oops, we just lost something. Get started. Alright, so also what's in my bag is this is my little Senreve pouch, and this is kind of like my catch-all. It has my my dental floss in here. I have double-sided sticky tape, because you never know when you're going to need double-sided sticky tape. So this is a great thing to have. I also have my Clinique travel size mascara, and then I have my Burt Sweet Violet Tint Lip Balm, which is just amazing. One of my friends told me about this and it's like suggested it to me that, hey, you should use this when you try one of these for like your videos, because they know how plain Jane I am, and said maybe you should try a little bit of makeup and this. So to my friend who suggested that, thank you very much. Shout out to my girl in Cali. And then I also have this, which is just super, if anybody out there wears eyeglasses, this Peeps eyeglass cleaner is like the bomb.com. First of all, here is a little thing that you, on your glasses, for you have any type of lint or anything, and you go like this, and then to finish it off, you take this and you press these together and you wipe like this. And I have to say, guys, this Peeps eyeglass cleaner has really changed my life when it comes to keeping my glasses clean, because they are always filthy, unfortunately. That's the worst thing about being an eyeglass wearer, is that my glasses are always dirty and I'm constantly cleaning them. So with the helps of the Peeps, I am keeping it clean. And then, let's see, I also have in here some Lumify Eye Drops, because my eyes for some reason are always red. So I totally use this, especially if I'm wearing makeup like on, because I hardly ever wear makeup. My eyes are like, what is this foreign substance that you're putting on my eyes? So my eyes usually are red. So this Lumify works very fantastic. It brightens your eyes and makes the color of the white like really pop. So yeah. And then I have also in here is a thing of tweezers, some Neutrogena lotion that I got as a sample from my dermatologist when I was there getting my face chemical pilled, and then oh, I think I have 2 of these Cliniques in here, and then another Burt PLUM lip shimmer, and I think that's all for in there. And then I also have can't go anywhere without my hand sanitizer, because everything is so yuck. So yeah, I got my trusty hand sanitizer. On this side, I believe, oh, I have my 6-ring Louis Vuitton key holder. And guys, this right here, my husband's like, that is not gonna fit in there. And I was like, bull, it is gonna fit in there. So yeah, these are a pair of travel scissors, because you never know when you're gonna need a pair of scissors. I totally always need a pair of scissors. I always find myself like, gosh, I wish I had a pair of scissors so I could open this, or whatever the case may be. So I'm so happy that I found these at Target. They're over there in like the craft section, where you would have like all of your stenciling and everything like that, and like I think it's like party bags and stuff. So it's just in there. My travel this works really handy. And this is like probably one of my favorite items right now, is my travel scissors. But yeah, so my little Louis Vuitton key holder, this, whoa, that I have this, and then what else is in here? Oh, looks like I have a Bed Bath & Beyond receipt. This Me and my husband just recently went to Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys know about Bed Bath & Beyond, but if you sign up for their 20% off coupon, which is 20% off not just one item, but 20% off of every single item that you have in your cart. It is totally worth it. With my first purchases that I have from there, it paid for itself. I think it's like $39.99 or something. Don't quote me on that. I'll probably put it down here on the bottom to say how much it is, but it's $39.99 for a whole year, and you get 20% off of each item. I have to say, when I was doing my pantry and I was buying all these containers, the 20% off really came in handy. And of course, we're going to hurry up and speed this up now. I have cinnamon Altoids in here because I don't really chew gum because I have I have crowns in my mouth, and I don't want to ruin anything that I have going on in there, so I don't chew gum, but I do like these Altoids. I kind of just chewing them like they're candy, honestly. And then I have my my keys, of course, to my car or to my truck. And then I have my Marc Jacobs eyeliner here. And what else do I have in here? Oh, and I have my MAC thing. This is like so old. I think I don't even really use this. I just carry it probably just for the mirror part. And take everything out that we already went over. And of course I have a pen, and I think this pen is so cool because right here is a little light on it, and you never know when you're going to need a little light. Sorry guys, I'm looking over because Rusty looks like he's getting very anxious. It's almost 1 o'clock. My dogs eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I have to hurry up and speed this along so I can go ahead and get his antibiotic in him and his medicine. And the last thing but not least is my Dior patent leather wallet on a chain. I got this probably, I would say, in like 2003. It's super old, but it's like one of my favorite wallets. So you open it right here. It has the Christian Dior Paris. There's little hooks right here for you to carry it like this. It has this. Ooh, I totally forgot about these, guys. I have a $100 and a $50 gift certificate from Dillard's, and these have been sitting in here forever, and I totally forgot I have not used these yet. I actually think I probably should send this to one of my girlfriends as like a gift because she never buys herself anything, and I know that she is one of those people that would truly appreciate it if I sent her these. But yeah, so guys, that's it. That's what's in my bag. I have nothing else. It is completely empty. Nothing in here, guys. Nothing left in there. And then also my little organizer. That's, oh, maybe we did have something in here. I guess we did. Oh, this is my battery for my normally I have like a light in my purse for my bigger bags, and I need to order another one, and I guess this is where this came from, is extra stuff. So yeah, guys, this is what's in my bag. I know it's a mess, you probably can't see it all, but yes, thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe down to the bottom. It costs you nothing. It's absolutely free. Thumbs up if you made it through to the end. I would really appreciate that. And go ahead and leave me a comment. Ask how Rusty's doing if you'd like. I'm going to get going because I need to go ahead and edit this video really quickly and get it out. Alright guys, so I am going to go so I can go feed my poor little dachshund because he can't probably see, but he has lost weight and he's down to about 15 pounds, my poor puppy. But yes, it's lunchtime and we got to take antibiotics. So you tell everybody thank you for watching. Oh, there's my little puppy. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.